Hello everyone, my name is Orok Duke. I get the privilege of serving here at Hope City on our ministries team. And today I want to share with you what it's like to posture ourselves in a place of joy in spite of what may be going on around us. In Acts chapter 16 from verse 16, the Bible tells a remarkable story of how Paul and Silas were imprisoned. They were imprisoned for doing what God called them to do, spreading the word of God. They were not just imprisoned, they were flogged and locked in a dungeon. They could have been downcast and despondent. They could have been in despair. After all, they were doing what God called them to do. Rather, in the midst of the pain they were going through, they chose to pray and worship God. They chose joy instead of despair. Their focus was on God and not on their circumstances. And because of that, the Bible records that the prison was shaken in an earthquake. Other prisoners were set free. The jailer who had locked them up eventually came to them, and he and his household gave their lives to Christ. They, Paul and Silas, allowed God to find purpose in their pain. God turned a terrible situation into one that brought out good. During this season, as we set aside time to pray and fast, let's consider the example that Paul and Silas set. At the start of this new year, let's choose to posture ourselves in a position of worship and choose joy, irrespective of what may be going on. That season of suffering that you may be going through will eventually pass. A new season is coming. Rejoice.